In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Monday.com for reporting or analysis. Whether you're preparing for a meeting or analyzing your team's productivity, exporting data is a critical skill. Follow along and you'll become a pro in no time. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Monday.com dashboard. This is your central hub where all your boards and workspaces are accessible. Make sure you are logged into your account for smooth sailing ahead. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to locate your profile icon. This is usually at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile is like opening up a toolbox, revealing various options tailored to your account. Next, you'll want to select the administration option. This might already feel familiar, but it's crucial as it's the gateway to more specific settings related to your account management. Now that you're in the administration section, you'll see Account. Clicking here will take you directly to your account settings where you can manage all things related to your personal and team accounts. As you arrive at the account settings, you will find a menu labeled Export. This is the star of the show because this option enables you to download your project's data safely and effectively. By choosing Export, you are embarking on the final stretch of this process. While the exporting process takes place, let me give you some tips for a successful export experience. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Losing connection midway could interrupt the exporting process. Second, determine what type of file format you need, such as CSV or Excel, as this will depend on what software you plan to use for further analysis. Choosing the correct format ensures your data is easily accessible and workable for your specific needs. Remember, exporting data is not just about getting information out of Monday.com. It's about how you can utilize this information to drive results, influence decisions, and exhibit progress or areas for improvement. With this export feature, all your compiled data can be taken into external analysis tools or spreadsheets, allowing for deeper insights. So, there you have it. Following these steps will make exporting data from Monday.com a breeze. Use this skill to enhance your reports, refine your analytics, and keep your team's progress on track. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks to elevate your project management skills.